Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Autotrader. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then click on sign in once again. Now you can continue with your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account if you have connected them with your account. Otherwise, just type in your email address that you used while signing up, followed by your account password. After typing both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and now you will be taken into the Autotrader website and logged into your account right away. And now you can start to look for various different deals and also sell your vehicles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.